Oh, what's up YouTube? It's Chris and I'm back with another video. This is actually this is going to be part of an unboxing. Well, not part of an unboxing, but it's going to be an unboxing of this kit that I got for my GoPro.
Hi Daddy, what you doing?
So today's video is going to be a review video on a kit that I bought for my GoPro. I want something. I have a Hero 4 and it works perfectly fine. So you don't need an upgrade to the 567 or anything like that. But what I need is a little tripod so I can use it to make these Lego building videos. So I bought this kit off of Amazon. It came with like a million pieces. It came with I think 50 pieces or something like that. Something crazy. It was only $20. And if I'd have went to GoPro or Best Buy, something like that, and tried to buy just a tripod, probably, I mean, it would have been over $20. So let's just see what we got here. I figured for $20 the next day shipping, I mean, you know, I'll take the risk to see what we got. So first, we're just going to go through the box. We're going to see what we have, and then I'm going to go test it out a little bit and let you guys know what I think. Have some paper in there too for my kids and learning how to write. Alright, so it also came in a nice little bag, carrying case. The carrying case alone to me is worth $20, so we'll see. I was very concerned that this would be some cheap stuff, but the case is actually very nice material. If you look, it's not a soft case. It's not a hard case either, but it's soft but rigid. Okay, so the foam kind of fell out on one side, and admittedly in the pictures this foam looked like it was a lot thicker and more durable, but oh, everything's not in the shot. Let me back this up just a little bit if I can. Let me see. Oh, I'm just gonna have it like this. There we go. So I know probably on camera this doesn't look like much because it looks just like a chaotic mess. That's because it is. So let's go through what we have here. So first of all, we have a little suction. We have a suction which is definitely needed for my car videos. It's good. So anyway, we have this windshield mount. We'll save that. We have, this is already worth $20. I can tell you that now. This is a wrist strap mount. I have no idea what this is. Let's look at our little, oh, this is for your helmet. So if you're wearing a helmet and you want to get that live action, you put it on your head like this, and it's, you know, following everything like that. So yeah, so that's what that is. Sorry about that, guys. I just had a Samsung SD card go bad on me, so hopefully I can retrieve that footage. So let's move on to the next piece. This right here. It comes with some other little mounting pieces. Let's see what this is. This goes on your bike. So when you're riding your bicycle, you know, you can mount this to the handlebar and you can film everything that way. That's cool. This is totally worth $20. It was like $22.99. I got $3 off. This, it looks like another wrist strap. So maybe the other one wasn't a wrist strap. This is, okay, this goes along with this thing, and it helps strap to your helmet. This, I'm loving this thing. I'm excited. I love getting nice little bundle deals. This, oh wow, this grip is serious. Okay, so this thing, you see how slow it opens up. This is the little gator grip, and you could just connect this to anything, and you know, have your GoPro hanging on to that. This is a crazy unboxing. This might have to be 2 separate videos, but this, okay, so I have one of these in storage. Okay, my storage unit is in Atlanta. I'm in DC right now, so that's why I had to just try to buy something. So this actually straps to your head. You put on your head. I need to adjust on, but then you can have the GoPro almost at eye level, which I like when I'm doing car repair videos. It's the beast to try to hold that thing. This, I don't even want to open this up because there's so much stuff in here. I think this just like a lot of the mounting gear. So you do have something in here with a strap that goes to. Okay, there's another way you can mount something to your helmet. Is a little sticky mount. I don't know. Looks like mine has a little something extra because I don't see anything on this list with a red string. Oh, I got something extra. I don't know what that is, so I'm just gonna put that aside. A whole lot of sticky pads. Let me just take them out. I don't want to take that stuff out because it really is too much, but there's just a bunch of extra 3M sticky pads, and along with, you know, some of these adapters. Whoops. This is, okay, I know what this is. This is the chest strap. So it goes over your body, the body strap, and it straps to your chest. I bought a kit like this, a bunch of accessories when I first bought the GoPro. I bought it in Puerto Rico in 2017, and it was some type of sale. Came with all these, this whole kit, but it didn't have nearly this many things. It just had like the head strap, and I think it came with an extra battery. You got to choose, and I got it from the Microsoft store. And it was like $100, but I mean I got it free with the GoPro at the time, and the GoPro was on sale. This thing here, I don't know what it is. It's like a selfie stick, but I don't think it. Oh, it does. Whoa, yeah. So it's like a selfie stick. Wow. But for the GoPro, boom. And you see most cameras, and you can use this for other cameras too, because it has a little screw-in mount right there. So that is cool. Admittedly, I've never used a selfie stick before. I don't know if they're supposed to be this tough to slide in and slide out, but $20. This, it comes with just some pads. Let's see if you can focus on this. Some pads for cushion. It's a Velcro pad. A Velcro strap. I don't know what that strap is for. It's for also mounting to your wrist if you wanted to mount it to. That's what it's saying on here. It's for mounting to your wrist. And you know what? I don't see the tripod. That's the main thing that I bought this for. Well, I'm not totally through everything, but so yeah, this mounts to like a. Let me just show you what it is. I'm at a loss of words. I'm hungry. So someone has a wristband on and they're strapping it over the wristband. That's all. Then, but it comes with a wristband, a wrist strap as well with cushion. So it's really redundant. So it comes with this. So you never really need this, but you could probably use it for something else. And this is your scuba underwater holder when you're, you know, scuba diving and stuff. I guess you can put, I don't know what you put in this, but in the picture they're just holding they have the GoPro attached to this. I don't know what I mean, I guess you can keep things in here. Maybe it's waterproof. It's sealed tight. You can keep some accessories or something inside of here. And if you have the GoPro waterproof case, you know, you can mount it to that. And okay, here we are. Here's what I'm looking for. There we go. We have this bad boy here, and this can wrap around things. The legs are flexible, so they can wrap around things, which I thought was really useful. Admittedly, this thing is, well, this feels solid, but if this thing is really lightweight, it feels like it will break. But I don't know if you can see down in there, but it's like balls at the top, so it gives it full rotation. So I can't really see where this will snap off. But again, let's keep in mind the whole thing was $20, but this is actually pretty decent construction. And let's see what this is for. I have a little baggie, a zip up, a drawstring baggie. Don't know for what. And this case, you know, that's it. This case has a little pocket right here, and then it has some cutouts. I don't know if these cutouts are really for. No, but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to work on this stuff now. Well, try to use some of this stuff. Try to use the tripod, and yeah, I'll come back to you guys then. Now, I already went through everything before in the first part of the video, but I wanted to like use the stuff because people say, "Oh, it's cheap. It broke on the first use." Nah, I used this about 3 or 4 times already, and no problems. I also used the car mount to hold the Akaso as well as the GoPro multiple times to film myself in the car, and that's all I used. I mean, I can't even go out of my way to use all this stuff. I'm gonna use the head strap soon. I gotta find out which one the head strap is again. But I am going to try to use the head strap. I might do that today, and I know the chest strap will probably work just fine as well. I think this is the head strap right here, and this is very similar to my GoPro one. Oh no, it's not. The GoPro one has more grip here. This is just a little strip, but it's a wavy grip line, and that is for securing it to the helmet. Now I will say this. I do have a video of myself going through El Yunque rainforest in Puerto Rico, and I used this, the GoPro version, with my Hero 4 back in 2016. I never uploaded the video or anything, but I'll upload that, and you guys can see that. My point was, it didn't hold on to that helmet well. I mean, it kept slipping off. It was a slippery little thing. Now, this is do fine just strapping it to your head without a helmet, but that's what that little grip is there for, and I don't think this is going to do better than the GoPro, not that little one strip. So, you know, anyway, yeah, it's cheap, obviously, but I don't care if they were selling each thing for $1. They still lost. I mean, with shipping, with free next day shipping, it was like getting all this stuff for like 50 cents a piece. I mean, not even like 25 cents. I don't know how they profitable. And it came with this case. This case, look. All I'm saying is I'm just saying all this stuff to say that this was one of the best purchases of my life, okay? So, with all that said, yeah. Do I recommend this? I don't even know what I'm reviewing, just the newer thing. I didn't go out of my way to buy this thing. I bought it because I needed it, and it just turns out that it was so great I wanted to make a video on it, and just to let people know, hey, if you need some accessories for your action cam, look no further. I'll leave a link. I don't know if it was a pricing glitch or what, but $19.99, you cannot beat that, okay? So that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully I hit you to something. And I'll see you guys next time. If it's not $20 anymore, my bad. I'm sorry to get your hopes up. So if this video is up, it was still $20 when I posted it, and I bought it like 2 weeks ago. So bye.